In this video, we will explore how to set up and use the customer ratings feature in the project module in Odoo 18 to collect client feedback at different stages of task execution. First, let's enable this feature. Open the project module, go to the Configuration tab, and select Settings. In the Analytics section, locate the Customer Ratings option, check the box, and click Save. If needed, you can configure a rating email template for specific stages. To do this, click Set Rating Email Template on Stages. In the list that appears, you will see all projects with their respective stages. Choose the desired one and click View. The form contains several fields. SMS template. Assign a template for automatically sending an SMS when a task reaches this stage. Email template. Assign a template for automatically sending an email when a task reaches this stage. Sequence defines the order of this stage in the task pipeline. Folded in Kanban. If enabled, this stage will appear collapsed in the Kanban view. Projects shows the projects that use this stage. Rating email template. Select the email template to be used for sending a rating request. Automatic Kanban status. If enabled, a positive client review will automatically change the task status to approved green indicator, while a neutral or negative review will change it to changes requested orange indicator. The Kanban status updates automatically. Now let's see it in action. In the Projects section, click New, enter the project name, enable time tracking if needed, select the billable option, fill in the customer field, and optionally set an email alias for automatic task creation. Click Create Project. Stages can be added manually or chosen from ready-made examples. Click See Examples to open a window with stage templates. Select the one that best fits your project and click Use this for my project. The selected stages will be automatically added to your project, and you can edit or reorder them as needed. To create a task, click the plus in the stage header. In the task title field, enter the task name and assign it to a responsible person. Once ready, click Add to finalize the creation of the task. Suppose you want to collect feedback at the Done stage. Open the settings for this stage, click Edit, select the rating email template, and check the automatic Kanban status box. Save the changes. Next, open an existing task. In the task form, find the customer field and select the client you want linked to this task. Once selected, click Save to apply the change. Then navigate back to the main project view, locate the task in its current stage, and drag it to the Done stage. This transition will trigger the feedback process. Since the rating email template is set, the client automatically receives an email. This is the email that was sent to the client, and from here, they can leave a rating. The email includes 3 smiley options: green for satisfied, orange for OK, and red for dissatisfied. After selecting one, clients are redirected to a new page where they can leave feedback in the form of a text message in the provided field and click Send Feedback. Back in the task, you will see the rating, a green smiley, and the Kanban status automatically changed to approved, along with the green indicator. The client's written feedback appears in the chat. At the top, there is a Smart tab showing the latest rating. Click the Smart tab to view details such as the assigned employee, the project and task reviewed, the comment and rating provided, as well as the submission date and client. This way, Odoo 18 allows you to quickly gather feedback, monitor client satisfaction, and respond promptly to their needs. This improves transparency, project quality, and client trust. Thank you for watching, and I wish you success in working with Odoo.